by October 4 or between October 1 to 4, ma-transmit na sa Senado. Yun ang plano.
Sir, but why was there a need po to call an executive session to approve the committee report, sir, kung wala naman po palang amendments?
Actually, wala namang tinatago, but that has been the practice ever since. So, through the years, in fact, nung ako'y vice chairman pa, 2007, ganun din ang 2007 or 2010, ganun na rin ang practice.
Sir, napansin ko po, sir, may ilang government commissions and attached agencies po na hindi po nagkaroon ng budget briefing. Sir, ito po ba, based on your experience being part of the appropriations panel, nangyayari po siya? For example, si HR, sir, diretso na lang po sa plenary.
Usually, yung hindi na pinatawag for their briefings, yun yung parang independent o equal, yung kung minsan, like the judiciary, hindi mo na nababawasan yan eh. So, there are offices na diretso na sila sa plenary, although there were formal meetings with them before sila isalang sa plenary.